So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Devyansh at this side, and today we are going to discuss about a very important topic. So what is that topic? So Google has just now launched a machine learning crash course. So the machine learning crash course is totally free for you. Just you need to know the prerequisites, some prerequisites of that, and you can just start the machine learning course. So why is it important to go with that? Since the course is designed by Google, so the course would be containing all those like basic fundamental things that are actually required for having a good knowledge of machine learning. So I would just totally suggest all of you to go with that and get this good opportunity with you. So now just see that you can see right now here on the screen, it's written machine learning crash course with TensorFlow APIs. So it's based on TensorFlow APIs, where Google fast-paced practical introduction to machine learning is written. Then here you can get the start crash course, view prerequisites. Maybe you would have to log in with your Google ID, so you can just log in from here above. And then let's try to explore this particular thing. So what you will get into this machine learning course: 30 plus exercises, 25 lessons, 15 hours of course. So this course will be of 15 hours. Lectures from Google researchers. Are you getting it? Like, it's not just a normal Google employee, but the researchers there that people who are actually totally involved in learning new things and totally involved in their research work. They are going to teach you. So that is a very awesome opportunity for you all. Now coming on to the real world case studies, you will get an interactive visualizations of algorithms in actions, and I hope so that most probably you would be also be able to make projects here. So it's a very important and very awesome platform right now to start your journey with machine learning. Now let's see some more things. What we can get here is that, so it's crash course. Okay, let's be to the crash course, and let's try to see what happens when we just start the course. Or before that, let's learn about the prerequisites here. So when we go to the prerequisites, view prerequisites, you can see here the prerequisites are like someone has asked, is machine learning crash course right for you? I have little or no machine learning background. I have some background in machine learning. I know machine learning really well. So please read before this. Was pre-work, what you have to do is written here, pre-work, this one. So before machine learning, learning the machine learning, if you are new to machine learning, take introduction to machine learning problem framing. So you are getting the particular link also there, so you can just click on that and then you can just have a look of it. Or if you are new to NumPy, you can just click on this NumPy ultra quick tutorial and you can just learn about it. If you're new to pandas, then also you can click on this pandas ultra quick tutorial and learn about it. Then some prerequisites more are Python and some like basic mathematical algebra and linear algebra, trigonometry, statistics, calculus, Python programming and all these stuffs. But you don't have to worry, each and every particular link is there, so you can just click on that particular link and have a look of it. But I would just say please bookmark this particular page and keep it with you, because see, you can see here ML concepts starting from basics till the very core level they are teaching you, and you will be getting a very good knowledge from here. Okay, so I would just suggest each and everyone people who are interested in learning the machine learning, so go with it. It's very nice for you right now. If I just click on the start crash course, what will happen? Let's see that. So okay, so you will be getting here the module which will be able to make you learn more and more new things every day. So you should start from this left side, keep on moving down, and just keep on start learning on this. So for this particular video, this was the announcement that I wanted to make, that please go with this machine learning crash course. If you want to learn machine learning, this is a really good opportunity. Go with it. Don't think of it, just have it, because it's totally free of cost. No cost is there. And one more important thing, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe the channel, hit the like button if you like the video, and keep supporting us. Tab tak ke liye stay tuned, be healthy, and Jai Hind.